Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a Mazda 6 power window. First, let's diagnose the problem. Begin by testing the window switch on both the driver's and passenger's sides. Listen carefully for any sounds from the window motor when you press the switch. Next, locate your vehicle's fuse box and inspect the fuse related to the power windows for any signs of a break. Once you've identified the issue, the next step is to access the internal components. You'll need to carefully remove any trim pieces and screws holding the door panel in place. After that, disconnect all electrical connectors attached to the panel. With everything unfastened, gently pry the door panel away from the door frame, being mindful of any remaining clips. With the door panel removed, you can now inspect the window's internal components. Carefully examine the window motor for any visible damage or signs of wear. Next, check the window regulator assembly for bent tracks, broken cables, or any other structural issues. Finally, use a multimeter to test the electrical connections for proper continuity, ensuring power is reaching the motor. After identifying the faulty part, proceed with replacing the window motor or regulator as needed. Ensure all new components are securely fastened. Reconnect all electrical connectors, making sure they click firmly into place. Finally, carefully reattach the door panel, aligning all clips and screws, and then replace any trim pieces you removed earlier.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.